In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default font in Google Sheets. If you want your spreadsheet to have a cleaner look or better match your personal style, changing the font is a quick and simple way to do it. In Google Sheets, fonts can help make your data easier to read and give your documents a more polished, consistent appearance. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. First, go to your Google Sheet. Open the spreadsheet where you want to update the font. Make sure you're on the correct sheet before making changes, especially if your file contains multiple tabs or a lot of data. Once the spreadsheet is open, you're ready to choose the area where the new font should be applied. Next, click and highlight the cells with the content you want to change from the default font. This is an important step because Google Sheets will only apply the font change to the cells you've selected. You can click and drag to highlight a range of cells or select a full row, column, or even the entire sheet if you want the same font used everywhere. Taking a moment to select the right area helps avoid having mismatched formatting later on. After that, move your attention to the top toolbar and click on the font selector. This is the drop-down menu that shows the name of the current font being used. When you click it, a list of available fonts will appear. Google Sheets includes a variety of styles, from simple and professional fonts to more distinctive ones, so choose one that fits the purpose of your spreadsheet. For example, if you're working with business data, a clear and readable font is usually the best option. Then click on your new font from the list. As soon as you select it, the highlighted cells will update automatically. This lets you instantly preview how your spreadsheet looks with the new style. If the font doesn't look the way you expected, you can always reopen the font menu and try another one until you find the right fit. And that's it. Once you've selected your new font, your chosen cells will reflect the updated formatting. If you want your sheet to look more consistent overall, it's a good idea to apply the same font across related sections of the spreadsheet. A uniform font style can make your document easier to scan and more professional to share with others. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to change the default font in Google Sheets.